वेलकम टू बेस्ट स्टूडेंट टैलेंट शो। दोस्तों नमस्कार, मैं महेश कुमार, आप देख रहे हो बेस्ट स्टूडेंट टैलेंट शो। बेस्ट स्टूडेंट टैलेंट शो के मेगा ऑडिशन के स्पीच कंपटीशन को लेकर आज हमारी टीम पहुंची है डीएस प्रोग्रेसिव स्कूल ओमेक्स सिटी फेस 1 में। देखने वाला रहेगा कैसे रहने वाला है आज डीएस प्रोग्रेसिव स्कूल के बच्चों का स्पीच कंपटीशन। जिस भी बच्चे की स्पीच आपको अच्छी लगे उसके लिए वोट जरूर करें। केवल सब्सक्राइबर ही वोट कर सकते हैं, तो पहले हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, उसके बाद वोट करें। जिस बच्चे की जितनी ज़्यादा वोट होंगी उस बच्चे की अपनी क्लास में उतनी अच्छी रैंक होगी, और जिस बच्चे की जितनी अच्छी रैंक होगी उस बच्चे की अपनी क्लास में उतनी अच्छी पोजीशन होगी। आइए देखते हैं कैसा रहने वाला है डीएस प्रोग्रेसिव स्कूल ओमेक्स सिटी फेस 1 के बच्चों का स्पीच कॉम्पिटिशन।
Respected principal, learned teachers and all my dear friends, I am Shubham of class 5th, standing here to present speech on soldiers. Soldiers are the protector of our country. They sacrifice their lives. We can go to sleep peacefully every night. Their duty is protect our motherland. They do not go to lead comfortable life. Still protect our country. Every soldier are true patriot. They maintain a peaceful environment of our country. Whenever our country faces any huge problem like terrorism, these soldiers come to our rescue. It is our duty to respect every soldier. Thank you.
Respected principal, learned teachers and all my dear friends of I am Kanak of class 5th and standing here to present a speech on internet. Internet has made everyone's life very easy and simple, as we no longer need to go outside for paying bill, shopping, seeing a movie, business transaction, etc. It has been an essential part of our life, and we can say that without it we face lots of problems in our daily lives. Because of its easiness and usefulness, it is used everywhere, such as workplace, office, school, college, education institution, etc. And most importantly at home by each member for different purpose. It is highly beneficial for the student. It is businessmen for their study, businessmen, government agencies, research organization, etc. Student can search any needed government research organization, etc. Student can search any needed government agencies, can do their work in proper time. Research organization can research more efficiently and give outstanding result, etc. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning all everyone. My name is Purvi. Today I am speak a few words on human rights. World Human Rights Day is celebrated on 10 of December. Human rights are the basic rights and freedom that belong to every person in the world, from death until birth. Human rights is mark everyone as a free, equal, irrespective of age, gender, caste, creed, religion, and info.
Good morning, respecting principal, learned teachers and all my dear friends. I am Purvi of class 5th and standing here to present a speech on respect. I start my speech with meaning of respect. Respect meaning of give conception of somebody's preference, feelings, thought and ideas. We should respect elders, parents, teachers, friends, relatives and or siblings. Without respect cannot have team work and care for other people. Self-respect is essential. Cheaper your uniqueness and quality on your own. Respecting means respecting nation law and regulation is also essential. Our countries has people with different more values, reliable and cultural cultural background, but irrelevant of all as functions. We should respect everyone. At last line, I want to say that give respect and take respect.
Good morning, respected sir, learn, teacher and all my dear friend. My name is Palak, class 5th, present here on your speech. Unity. Unity is very important for any team or group. Only when we are unity, we can enjoy the taste of success. Unity we can agency of a unity happiness. We should always remember unity is strength. Bas.
Respect principal and teacher and my all friends. I am studying. My name is Anshu. I am from class 5th. I am standing here to present a speech for life after COVID-19. I am COVID-19. The coronavirus pandemic has changed the way we live our life. Our thought has also been changed, and our life and thoughts are always changed, and we pay a lot of attention to our self condition and our houses. Self reliance has come in our life. We are stand in our work properly, and we are afraid from infections and COVID-19, and we have much things. We avoid junk food from our diets and eat healthy food that make at home. Thank you.
Good morning, Madam Principal, Sir, dear friends. I am Soumya of class 5th. I would like to share my speech of you importance of time. We should that time is very valuable and time is very precious. Therefore, we all know time. Therefore, we should waste never time. Time is key to success. Time is the most valuable thing in the world. Losing it is Losing it is forever and never comes back. Thank